cards. James, I was talking to you earlier. All the teams are taken. I think somebody else also asked. All the teams are paid for, so we're good to roll. It's been a few days since I've opened these things. Yeah, Nathan, I always go through eBay. The biggest reason is just so I can fill the breaks and then run them shortly after. I'm the only one that works on this. My wife helps me like add people to the group and stuff, and it does some help with the shipping. But I really don't want to be on Facebook constantly trying to sell teams or price out teams and make sure they get sold and everybody gets paid, and then we run the break whenever that happens. I'd just rather go all the way through eBay and then run the break 30 minutes later. So that's why I do what I do, I guess. Here's our set information. 300 card set, 200 base, 50 rookies, 20 debut. We got some various inserts as well. There are some short printed numbered cards in here. They're those sweet little blue fluorescents. And then we got the short printed Genesis cards as well. Wouldn't mind finding either one of those. Sometimes we find an auto, but just never know. Just never know. Good luck to everybody. We got Derrick Henry, Eli Manning, Herman Moore, DJ Moore, old school Peyton Manning, and a debut Jerry Jeudy for the Broncos. It's a somewhat boring first pack, no color. Howie Long, Donovan McNabb, Amari Cooper. Got an Allen Robinson green for the Bears. Touchdown Masters Todd Gurley for the Falcons. And a Cole Kmet rookie for the Bears. That card had something was a little sticky. Not sure which one it was. Oh, Derrick Henry. Oh my goodness. That dude. I had a video, thankfully, recommended on my YouTube the other day. It was like a Derrick Henry stiff arm montage. Holy cow. Dude's an animal. I didn't know that he threw another kid the other day. And I knew he threw Josh Norman for a good ways, but he threw some other guy a few games later. Teddy Bridgewater, Kevin Byard, and a Hall of Fame Barry Sanders. So pretty boring first solo. Hopefully it's not a sign of things to come. Kyle Rudolph, Mike Allstott, Julio Jones, Matthew Stafford. Touchdown Masters Randy Moss for the Vikings. And Hall of Fame Troy Aikman for the Cowboys. And speaking of Cowboys, I'm amazed at that division of the NFC. I think 3 of the teams still have a legitimate shot of winning that division. Or maybe just 2. I think the Redskins and the Cowboys have a chance. Maybe the Eagles. Or maybe all of them. They're like all deadlocked in that same sort of standing. Joey Bosa, Daniel Hunter, Ed Reed. We have a Darrington Evans, Mosaic rookie for the Titans. Not too shabby. A flea flicker for the Jaguars. Leonard Fournette, Gardner Minshew, and DJ Chark. And J.K. Dobbins rookie for the Ravens. I think it was still undecided last time I checked, because there was a couple teams finishing up. I don't think the Cowboys game had finished when I was looking at that division, but they're all pretty close for sure. Brett Favre, Julian Edelman, and a rookie, Jerry Jeudy. So we got a couple Jerry Judys already. That's a nice one. Yeah, Dale, that's pretty nuts. And it could very well be a team who loses 10 games. It's just silliness. It almost makes you want to rethink the way that you set up your playoffs and your standings. But I think it makes it kind of interesting, kind of entertaining. Because then you're definitely going to have some crazy underdog team from one of the favorited conferences in the league be in the playoffs. Just trying to knock off some powerhouse, I'm sure. It'll make for some good TV. Darius Slayton, Richard Sherman, Carlos Hyde, Roquan Smith. Got a Russell Wilson will to win for the Seahawks. And a debut Tua for the Dolphins. Warren Sapp, Cameron Jordan, Kyle Fuller, a green Melvin Gordon for the Broncos. Got game J.J. Watt, and a Jake Fromm rookie for the Bills. Oh yeah, you got that too about the time you jumped in the video, I think. We actually pulled a Jake Fromm silver in the last break. I can't imagine that you couldn't make money if you bought Jake Fromm cards right now and just held them until his first time that he played. Heck, you could probably wait even longer to buy them. Like wait until dead of off season in the summer of this year. When Josh Allen's done ran them through the playoffs, nobody's thinking about Jake Fromm. Buy his cards for pennies on the dollar. And just hold him until he gets his first start and list them up. Nick Chubb, Joey Bosa, and a Harrison Smith Pro Bowl for the Vikings. Possibly the same thing with Jacob Eason. I don't know Jacob Eason as well as far as like how well he plays, but Jordan Love may be a little bit too pricey already for something like that. Tom Brady, Curtis Martin. We have a silver in here. There's a Dick Butkus with a fingernail scratch on it. Leonard Fournette. We have a silver Chris Godwin for the Buccaneers. Quite a few Buccaneers cards the last couple packs. And a debut Jalen Reagor for the Eagles. I tell you what's popping off all of a sudden as far as like cards go. I figured it was going to happen. I just didn't know how soon it would start. But they just announced the Tiger Woods documentary coming out in January. And I'm pretty sure I just saw one of his PSA 10 rookie cards go over 500 for the first time at auction. I think it's still going, actually. It might have already ended, but it was still going a couple hours ago. Some guy was posting about it in another group. But if you got some old 2001 Upper Deck Golf laying around in your closet, dig around for some of those Tiger Woods cards. Might be some money hiding around. Jared Goff, Jimmy Garoppolo, Kareem Hunt. Looks like we have a Genesis coming up. Let me see if it's upside down. They usually are. Yep. It's not a rookie. Looks like maybe, oh, Tre'Davious White for the Bills. Not a big name, but it's a Genesis, though. That card looks slick. That's pretty sweet. I think we gotta flip it back over here. Old school Jerome Bettis and Devin Duvernay rookie for the Ravens. We got a couple Ravens rookies so far. Chad, I don't know on a new grading company. I know PSA was purchased by somebody, but I'm not sure as far as like new competition that would be coming out. It would be tough, I would think, to get in the grading market because everybody knows who the two guys are for grading. SGC's getting better, I guess, but value-wise, it'll always be PSA and BGS, so I don't know how you could start a new grading company and really make yourself well-known. Matt Judon, nice pink Russell Wilson, and a debut Justin Jefferson. So that was a really good pink pack there. I have to look that up, though, because I hadn't heard anything about a new company. I know basketball started this last week, so that's a little bit more entertainment on the TV, especially with football kind of winding down. Oh, man. I hope they don't raise their prices again. I haven't sent cards in since they raised them the first time. About the only way you can send them in now is if you were like a long-time member with a, if you had like a set rate, I guess, or if you go through a submission team or something. Marcus Mariota, he did a little dance the other day. Did he play? When they got beat yesterday, was he playing? I didn't even look. Zach Ertz, Lynn Dawson, Leighton Vander Esch, got a will to win Drew Lock, and a Hall of Fame Jerome Bettis for the Steelers. Old Marshall Faulk, Cherry Rice, Lamar Jackson. We had a green debut, A.J. Dillon for the Packers. Flea Flicker for the Browns. Nick Chubb, Baker Mayfield, Odell Beckham Jr. We got an Anthony McFarland rookie for the Steelers. One Jaguar. Yeah, Drew Lock, pink. Ricky Williams, pink. And a Jordan Love, pink for the Packers. Got a couple of Packers cards in this cello. This Jordan Love. I got a green A.J. Dillon sitting here. Old Dan Marino, Nick Bosa, Michael Vick, Kenny Galladay, a green old school John Elway for the Broncos, and MVP's Peyton Manning for the Colts. Uh-oh, you saw that color back there probably. Sonny Michel, Ryan Tannehill, Tre'Davious White, We have a Chris Conley green for the Jaguars. Got game DK Metcalf. And a T. Higgins rookie for the Bengals. Uh-oh. Adam Vinatieri. Tiki Barber. And Joe Burrow. I thought I saw one. I didn't want to say it. I thought it might have been a T. Higgins again. I like that picture of Joe Burrow. I think probably my favorite pictures are Mosaic. I don't like some of the Prism pictures. That Justin Herbert's base rookie card, he looks as wide as a bus. I don't know if his shoulders are just naturally that wide. I like his variation picture a little bit, but I don't know. I just feel like I'm not a huge fan of that photo. I like Jalen Hurts' photo in Prism. Jordan Love, I'm not a big fan of his photo. I think they got him like semi-running with the ball. I don't know, I'm just picky, I guess. Rod Woodson, Dalvin Cook, David Montgomery. We have a green Isaiah Simmons. It's kind of a rare find. Nice one for the Cardinals there. Got game Adrian Peterson and a Laviska Shenault Jr. rookie for the Jaguars. Got to sleeve it up because I know I'm being watched closely for these Jaguars pulls. Uh-oh. We got an Ayuk request. Ayuk. Yeah, we pulled definitely 2 Jaguars so far. We need to tone it down. We had one break. We pulled 5 Laviska Shenaults in this same type of break. I about passed out. I was like, what in the world? And a lot of them had some color to them. It's kind of weird. Cam Chancellor, Jared Cook, Mark Brunell. We have a silver rookie coming up. Jarvis Landry. It's a Charger. Kenneth Murray, silver for the Chargers. And MVP's Tom Brady for the Patriots. Von Miller, Chris Godwin, and a Cam Akers rookie for the Rams. Oh, Cam Akers. I think one of my favorite things about Mosaic, I'm pretty sure it's for all Mosaic that I've ever opened so far this year. I've never seen points. I've heard Prism Mega Boxes will hit you in the face with points on occasion, which would be so depressing because you're paying for that auto basically. But I don't think Mosaic's throwing any points out there. Patrick Mahomes, Mike Evans, Aaron Donald. Looks like we got some extra base in here. Calvin Ridley, Kerryon Johnson. We got a green Tony Gonzalez for the Chiefs. A touchdown masters Brett Favre for the Packers, and a rookie Javon Kinlaw for the 49ers. George Kittle, Adrian Peterson, Tremaine Edmonds, J.J. Watt. Ooh, there we go. A little green touchdown masters, Patrick Mahomes, and a debut Jonathan Taylor for the Colts. Haven't seen a decent Mahomes in a while, so that's pretty cool. I would love to pull a Genesis of a big player. Yeah, he wasn't a monster at the time, but a couple months back we pulled a Justin Jefferson Genesis, and that was pretty cool. I have a friend who pulled a Justin Jefferson blue out of 15. Ooh, there's a nice one. Kyler Murray for the Cardinals, pink. Got Deshaun Jackson still doing flips in the end zone. And an MVP's Patrick Mahomes. Uh-oh. Got a couple big quarterbacks in this pack. Four Cellos left. We've found a Burrow, found a Jordan Love. You work on some of those other quarterbacks here. Brian Dawkins, Devontae Parker, TJ Hawkinson, Tyler Boyd, Mosaic for the Bengals, old school Brett Favre, and a Tua base rookie. I don't know what these are going for now. Hopefully we're getting close to that value RC. He wants the blue fluorescent. That's a steep ask. I'll see what I can do, you know. Steve Young, Rob Gronkowski, DJ Chark, Dak Prescott, Mosaic, Touchdown Masters, Jerry Rice, a sweet card, and Pro Bowl Deshaun Watson for the Texans. Yeah, Tyler Eifert, Max Crosby, and Jonathan Taylor rookie for the Colts. I'm going to have to switch out the old contacts after today. The old eyeballs are burning. Must be too close to all this hot fire we're pulling. Oh, I've been waiting weeks to say that joke. Debo Samuel, John Riggins, Tony Gonzalez. We have James Conner Green for the Steelers, Brett Favre will to win, and a Jalen Hurts rookie for the Eagles. And my eyes are melting a little bit here. That's all I see in the comments. I'll take. How about this? Let's see now a such and such would be good. Just brutality. Jamal Adams, Cooper Kupp, Zeke Elliott. Actually, Connor, I think that's probably true. Kevin King. We got a Tom Brady got game mosaic for the Buccaneers. Nice little card there. Tom Brady's going to quietly disappoint some folks, I'm afraid. And there's the old Clyde Edwards-Helaire requests from Dale. Just a debut, though. Nebula. Did John say Nebula? don't have any hobby boxes over here, I don't think. Nebula may be choice, I don't know. Or no huddle. Out here in these streets asking for nebulas to be pulled. Now there's a request that actually needs to be fulfilled. Jeremy says he needs a Herbert. Yeah, I would not mind seeing a Herbert. Chandler Jones, Juju Smith-Schuster, and a Pro Bowl Kirk Cousins. Taysom Hill, Josh Jacobs, Cole Beasley, Zeke Elliott Green, the Cowboys. Got game Josh Allen and Antonio Gibson, rookie for the Redskins. Miles Sanders, Jalen Ramsey, Andre Johnson, Allen Robinson, got game Michael Thomas, Green, the Saints, and Pro Bowl TJ Watt. Not hitting the rookies on these last couple packs here. Luke Kuechly, AJ Brown for the Titans. Chase Claypool, rookie for the Steelers. We're doing all right with some of these rookie pinks, though. I think we probably hit 4 or 5 top 15 rookies. All the way from, like, Jordan Love down to Jonathan Taylor type. Last Cello. Really use a Herbert. Randy Moss, AJ Brown, Travis Kelce, another Kenneth Murray. We got a silver and a green for the Chargers. Flea Flicker for the Steelers. Bettis, Terry Bradshaw, and Juju. And we got a Jalen Reagor, rookie for the Eagles. Well, I don't get too aggressive with these cards, but sometimes some sleeves just aren't super friendly. Alright, last regular pack. Then we'll have one more pink pack. We have a silver, it looks like. Marshawn Lattimore, Charles Woodson, Jason Witten, Mark Ingram. Our silver is Tyler Boyd for the Bengals. And a rookie is not a rookie, it's a Hall of Fame, Troy Polamalu. We got quite a few. We did hit some good rookies, but we got quite a few random inserts where we should have got some rookies, I feel like. Alright. Big money on the last pink pack. Say big money and I can't even get the cards out. There we go. Alright, Marlon Mack, Saquon Barkley, and a Jalen Hurts pink debut for the Eagles. So that's a nice card. We missed out on old Herbert. That is a really nice card. We'll do a quick recap. Take a look at all these cards. Darrington Evans, Mosaic. Jerry Judy pink for the Broncos. We got a debut Tua. Jake Fromm base. Chris Godwin silver. Tre'Davious White Genesis. Russell Wilson pink. A debut pink Justin Jefferson. I got a lot of glare tonight. Try it over here. Jordan Love pink. Debut green A.J. Dillon. Joe Burrow pink. LaVisca Chenault rookie. Isaiah Simmons green. Kenneth Murray silver. Chargers. Cam Akers pink. Patrick Mahomes touchdown masters green. MVPs pink. Patrick Mahomes. Kyler Murray pink. There's a Tua base. Jonathan Taylor pink. Jalen Hurts base. Got game Mosaic Tom Brady. We got Chase Claypool pink. Kenneth Murray green. Silver Tyler Boyd. And a pink debut Jalen Hurts. Chad, I'm not sure on that one. I don't open and sell a lot of singles. I just see a lot of news about card values and stuff like that, but don't know much on that one. I will say, though, I appreciate you guys jumping in the break. Thanks to all you. Most everyone always pays in plenty of time. If there is issues, usually shoot me messages and stuff. I really appreciate that. There are some stinkers out there that cause some problems. I'll deal with those so we can run these breaks efficiently and as timely as I possibly can. So if you guys ever need anything, shoot me a message on eBay or Facebook. I'm going to hop off here, just see if I can sort some cards before the last break of the night at midnight. I hope some of you guys have off tomorrow like I do, so we can party hard for 30 minutes at midnight with some opening some boxes. So you guys take it easy. Take it easy, Chad. We'll see y'all later. See you, Dale.